Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your Redmi Note 15 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the volume, and specifically, you want to adjust the media and the call volume. You can only adjust the call volume while being in an active call, so try calling up somebody and increase it from there. Now for the media, you go over to the settings and then you need to scroll a bit down until you see sound and vibration. Here you will see the adjust volume section and you'll have media. Now make sure to turn it up right here or just max it out. It's pretty the same, so it doesn't matter. Now what you guys also want to do is make sure that you do not have do not disturb turned on. So scroll down here. Now go over to do not disturb and make sure that it's off, because whenever your do not disturb is on, then of course there will be no notifications or sound for incoming calls. And what can also happen is it can lower your volume significantly. So make sure to disable it and see if that makes any difference. If not, then you can turn it back on, but I'll recommend keeping it off for now. After that, what you guys want to do is clean the speaker grills. So go over and you need to do a soft brush on this one. Here, after you clean it with a soft brush, you will clean all the dirt or debris that may be stuck in there, and you'll have your sound back. After that, what you guys can do is restart your phone to refresh the system and fix any minor glitches. So press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe down to reboot and let go of your finger. Now the phone will restart, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and update your software to fix any glitches. So let's go over into the settings and then select about phone. Here you will need to click HyperOS and you need the stable Wi-Fi connection in order to check for updates. As you guys saw, there was no updates available, so I'm running the latest version. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software because it can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.